To light, consciousness, and love, I reach for you in the darkness of my empty room, hoping you will take me into the worlds of one, into the worlds of consciousness, into the worlds of bliss. After I tasted your lips, there is nothing else I could long for. After you embraced me, there is nothing else that could warm me. After you desired me, there is nothing else I could ask for. Take me, let no atom in my body feel anything else but your light. Take me, let no breath I take stay uninspired by your wisdom. Take me, let no heartbeat ever beat without consciousness of you. Take me into your arms and let me become your flame, your dust, your wind, your wave.